This is Rick Drury, and with Classic Auto Insurance, I'm here at Detroit Autorama 2020. Ran into Kevin here with this awesome 1964 Chevelle Wagon. Tell me a little bit about the car. How long have you had it?
I've had it about 14 years now.
Was it in this shape when you got it?
No, the body wasn't anything like that, and I had to redo a little bit of the interior. I redid the motor, put a new motor in it, new trans, four-wheel disc brakes all around, rebuilt the rear end, switched it over to posi-rear end, put a taller, a bigger gear in it, a 350 gear.
You drive it a lot? Put the miles on?
Oh yeah. I put about 1,000, 1,500 miles a year on it.
Awesome, that works.
Go to car shows, cruise nights, and stuff like that.
Yeah, with something like that, you can haul your friends around, your family, everybody.
Oh yeah. All your gear and everything like that. Your pop-up canopies, your chairs and stuff like that. Cool.
Yeah, that's what makes it fun.
Oh yeah.
Tell me a little about the engine. The small block Chevy?
Yeah, it's a small block Chevy. It's a 350. It's been bored out 30 over 355. Built by Chuck's Engines in Westland, Michigan. Okay. It's my girlfriend's shop and everything like that. And then I won it at a car show and everything like that. That they donated it to, and then I happened to win it. So.
Well, you got to use it.
Oh yeah. Oh for sure and stuff like that.
Did you have a lot of problems with the body, or was it pretty good shape?
No, the body was pretty good shape, and the paint was like this and stuff like that. It's only got 59,000 original miles on it.
Really?
Yeah. So, it refreshened up the paint and everything like that, and then I got it and did some more to the interior and stuff like that and cleaned it all up. And when I seen it, I'm like, oh, man, this is great. I had to snag it up.
You don't see a whole lot of the 64s or 65 Chevelle wagons out there. You always been a wagon kind of guy?
No, before this, I had a 66 Chevelle Super Sport, just a coupe, and I had that for 25 years. And then I started wanting something different, and I started seeing wagons and stuff. I really liked them. Used to have them when we were kids and stuff like that. One of my parents riding around in them and stuff, delivering news.
That was the SUV back then.
Oh yeah, delivering newspapers and Sears and Roebuck's catalogs and Montgomery Wards and stuff like that. So.
Yeah. No, to me, I love wagons, and you just don't see them around as much, especially the Chevelles. No, this is an awesome. Is this the first time here at Detroit?
Downstairs here. I've had it upstairs a couple times up there and stuff like that.
Yeah. You like it down in the basement?
Oh yeah, it's good. Oh yeah.
Very cool car. Hope you keep putting more and more miles on it, enjoying it.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks for talking to me.
Nice meeting you. Nice talking to you, man. Bye.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.